Jakarta Selatan.
Where do you work?
I work in BUMN at College Jakarta as a finance staff. It's a good job for me because I have interest in finance, economy, and administration. How about you?
I am teller at Bank Syariah Indonesia at Kota Bengkulu. I serve customers to deposit. Money is withdrawn the savings. What do you do in your free time?
At the moment, I'm joining English course. It's fun, but little bit difficult. How about you?
I am also currently taking computer training. I also plan training in harness my skills.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, thank you, Ayu. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Salsa.